What's up everybody? Welcome to another Foodie Friday. So today I am bringing you guys this wonderful French toast that I have right here. Don't mind, my whipped cream is melting. So yeah. But yes, this is not just your regular French toast. This is a special kind. And if you'd like to see how I made it, just stay tuned. You're gonna need a bowl, 2 eggs, nutmeg, vanilla extract, cinnamon, bread of your choice. I'm using brioche bread since it's a little bit thicker, measuring cup, a half tablespoon and a quarter teaspoon of whisk, Crémas, which is a Haitian drink, and I will leave it exactly what it is down in the description box. If you don't have that, you could definitely use Bailey's. If you want non-alcoholic, you could go ahead and use eggnog. So I'm just gonna pour 3/4 of a cup of the Crémas in our measuring cup and get started with the custard. Now with the measurement of everything, if you don't want nutmeg, you don't have to use nutmeg. It's all interchangeable. You use it to your liking. And you could use however more or less of everything that you want. Now I'm just gonna mix everything well to get our custard ready, just so we could soak our bread in it. Now I'm just gonna soak my bread about like 30 seconds, a little bit longer, a little bit less on each side. Because this is a brioche bread and it's a little bit of a thicker cut, I do have to leave it in there a little bit longer. But if you're using plain bread, you could definitely put it in there less time because it's less surface area to absorb. And once it's all nice and absorbed the custard, you're just gonna let the excess drip off and then place it in a pan for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it's nice and golden brown. This is the finished French toast that we have here. I am going to top it off with some whipped cream that I attempted to make. Didn't come out too great, but we'll go ahead with it. You can go ahead and do regular syrup or butter, but because it's already sweet as it is, I just wouldn't do that unless you want it to be extra sweet. I'm just going to put just a small dollop right there in the middle. So I went ahead and topped it off with some cinnamon, but yes, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you try it, let me know. If you try it with some of the other alternatives that I mentioned, go ahead and let me know how it came out. So I will see you guys next time.